Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will explore how to customize page numbers in a Word document, specifically focusing on removing the page number from a selected page. Additionally, we will learn how to adjust the page number on the page following one that has no number, ensuring the sequence continues seamlessly from the previous numbered page. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps out the channel. Just a quick note, I am using Microsoft Word 365 Pro for this tutorial. We will be working with a 7-page sample document to remove the page number from the 4th page. If you are interested in starting page numbering from a specific page, be sure to check out my other video linked below. To get started, we will need to use section breaks to remove the page number from a specific page. Section breaks allow you to create distinct parts of your document, enabling you to set different page numbers, headers, or footers for each section. In this case, I will add a section break before and after the page where I want to remove the page number. Specifically, I will insert one section break at the end of page 3 and another at the end of page 4. This way, pages 1 through 3 will be in one section, page 4 will be its own section, and pages 5 through 7 will form the last section. This setup allows for separate control over page numbering and formatting for each part of the document. To add a section break, first click where you want to insert the new section. In this case, at the end of page 3. Next, go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. Now, double-click on the page number in the section where you want to remove the numbering, which is page 4 in this instance. The header-footer tools will appear at the top. Make sure to uncheck Link to Previous to unlink this section from the one before it. This ensures that changes made in one section won't affect the others. Then click on the Close Header Footer button. Next, position your cursor at the end of page 4 to create another section break. Once again, go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, and choose Next Page under Section Breaks. Double-click on the page number in the section where you want to maintain the page numbering, which is page 5 in our case. From the header footer tools, uncheck Link to Previous to unlink this section as well. Now, your document is divided into 3 sections, pages 1 through 3 in the first section, page 4 in the second section, and pages 5 onward in the third section. It is time to remove the page number from page 4. To do so, select the footer area of the section where you would like to remove page numbers. In our case, I will select footer area on page number 4. Then, go to the page number option in the ribbon. Next, choose Remove Page Numbers from the drop-down list to delete the numbering from the second section, which only contains page 4. These changes won't impact the numbers in the first and third sections, as they are now independent. If you would like to adjust the page number on page 5 to reflect the absence of page 4, you can certainly do that. While the footer area on page 5 is selected, click on the page number on page 5, right-click, and choose Format Page Numbers. In the dialog box that appears, select Start At and enter the desired number. In this case, I will enter 4. Then, click on the OK button. Finally, close header and footer by clicking the Close button in the ribbon. Before we wrap up this video, let's review each page to ensure the page numbering is functioning correctly. Let me scroll up first. Then I will scroll down to see each page. We can now see the page numbers continue up until page 4. On page 4, page number is absent as we planned. After that, the numbering resumes at 4 and continues sequentially. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.